how to delete all your contacts on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can delete all your contacts on your iPhone. So you're not doing it on your contact, go ahead and open your settings. While you open your settings, guys, navigate to where it says contact. So look for where it says contact, guys. Click on that. When you click on that, click on where it says account. So I'm going to be showing you guys few steps you could be doing this. So when you click on account, guys, what you have to do is to go ahead and remove the account that the numbers are. So if I'm using this Gmail, this account to have my contact, I can just go ahead and click on that. When I click on that, I can just go ahead and toggle this contact button off. So I can just go ahead and toggle this contact button off. So if you click on the contact button and toggle it off, as you can see, it's telling us, are you sure you want to continue? All the Gmail contacts will be removed from your iPhone. So just go ahead and click on where it says delete and you can delete it. So if you want to do it on your SIM card, it's just the same step. So just go ahead and delete it and remove it from your phone. If another way you could actually do this is just go ahead and remove the entire account from your phone. So just click on where it says delete to remove the entire account from your phone. But if you don't want to do that, just go ahead and turn off the contacts. So to delete contacts from your Gmail, you cannot do it on your iPhone, guys. So if you want to delete contact from your Gmail, you have to go ahead and log into your Gmail. When you log into your Gmail, go to the private section and you can go ahead and delete it there. So you can delete your contact only on your Gmail. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.